What's up, guys? It's Aaron Collier. I'm back as promised with the Facebook marketing strategy part 2, and this one is going to be about finding unlimited leads with Facebook. So once your profile is all set up, ready to go, and you're ready to build relationships, we can go ahead and get started and start adding people on Facebook. I'll show you how to get unlimited leads, where to find these people. With Facebook alone, there's an unlimited amount of people you can connect with. So if you're like me and marketing on Facebook, then this is going to be critical to your business. So if you missed video 1, I'll add the video to the description in this video, and you can go back and watch it. But also, you want to stick around to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to give a special giveaway, guys. So don't miss that. I'm going to give out 5 giveaways, so you don't want to miss that. And let's just go ahead and get started, guys. So on Facebook, you're allowed up to 5,000 friends, guys. So you want to be in a race to get 5K friends as quickly as possible. This way you have a higher potential of engagement on your post, guys, meaning getting more likes, more comments, more shares, and ultimately what you want, more people to market your offer to. So on Facebook, you can add up to 200 people per day, guys, without getting put into Facebook jail. So meaning you won't be able to add friends, message people for a short amount of time. Usually the penalties will range from not being able to post for a few hours, maybe 3 days, 6 days, a week, until finally, if you keep getting in trouble by Facebook and getting put in jail, they can actually remove your page, guys. So you want to stay out of Facebook jail for sure. So you want to be connecting with people who are in your target market, guys. People that are involved in network marketing. They're going to be in network marketing groups. So if you're like me, you're recruiting people into your main opportunity, then we want to add marketers, guys, as many as possible. People that are going to be interested in your offer are going to be in Facebook marketing groups that are related to other existing network marketing companies, fan pages such as Ray Higdon, Tony Robbins, Gary Vee, Ty Lopez, Eric Worre. These people are all huge in the network marketing industry, guys. So you'll also find them commenting on successful leaders posts. So, basically we want active people, meaning people who are commenting and engaging on other people's posts. So let's just go and find some new friends, guys. I'll show you exactly how I do it, and the strategy I use to get quality network marketing friends, guys. So here we go, guys. We're on Facebook. Basically what I want to show you is, if you come here to the search bar, which a lot of you probably know, that you can search up basically whatever you want on Facebook and find results, just like if you do on Google, except it's going to be things related to Facebook, people, places, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and just we'll search up, let's do Gary Vee. There we go. Gary Vaynerchuk. So, so we can find people like this, pages, people. Let's just go ahead and go into Gary Vee's page here. And so what we want to look for are posts that Gary has done, maybe posts that have a lot of likes, comments, shares, things like that. So here's a good example here. So 406 people liked this post, this video that Gary Vee did, 35 comments, 151 shares. So this is a good place to start. So if we click here, so these are all people, active people, guys, on Facebook that are actively commenting, liking, sharing posts, guys. So these are the people we want. So basically you can come down and you can just start adding people. See, add friend. I'm a little picky. I want to pick people that are basically, that I think are in the US, because my market is mostly in the US. So, if your market is global, then you can basically just go through and start adding all these people, whoever you want. So, we'll go ahead and just start adding some people. So you want to be careful how many you add here, because if you add too many, Facebook can they might put you in jail. So, but these are just good quality people to add as friends, guys. These are people that are actually into marketing, and like I said, they're active. They're actively commenting, liking, sharing posts. So basically, we'll just add a few more. And so we've added maybe like 10 people right now, guys. So let me show you something else here. Okay, so basically if you come to your profile and you go to friends here, so you can see all your friends, your current friends. There's also a spot here for finding friends. So find friends. Usually I use mobile, guys. It's just easier for me. So I do most of my work on mobile. I'm just using the desktop so that I can do the video and show you guys what to look for and what to do. So, these are all friends requests up here. I haven't confirmed. I don't just accept anybody. I usually check out their profile first, see what they're about, see if I want them on my page, because I'm getting close to 5,000 friends, and I'm not just going to put or pick any friends, anybody that friends request me. There's, probably people that are, out of the country, or, people that I have nothing in common with. So, basically I can go down the list here. These are people with friends in common. It tells you how many friends, mutual friends they have. So, we can just start adding people. And here, when you're adding these people, you can add, like I said, 1 to 200 people without getting put in Facebook jail. When you're going to fan pages of other people, you see how we got that pop-up, and Facebook is kind of giving you a warning. That's what you want to look out for. You don't want to do that too much, but you can really do this all day. So you can come here and just start friends requesting people, guys. So here we go. We got another pop-up. So just watch how many you do. If you keep getting these pop-ups, just stop, come back later and do some more later. Alright, so that's the video on adding friends and quality friends, people that are into marketing, guys. There's many ways you can do it. There's many searches you can search here in the search bar on Facebook. There's many groups that you can go into, many groups that you can join where you find tons of network marketing people. You can search network marketing, internet marketing, whatever you want, wherever you think people that you want to be friends with will be that are into marketing. So, like I said, basically we're looking for marketers. That's what we want. We don't want somebody outside of our niche that are, not going to be interested in what we're doing, and people that are not active and, commenting and liking, commenting, sharing posts, guys. Those are the people we want. In the next video, I'm going to be going over how to connect with these people, how to talk to them, what to say, exactly step by step. So stay tuned for the next video of Facebook Marketing Part 3, guys. So if you stayed to the end, I really appreciate it. Give me some thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Show me some comments. Let me know what you thought about the video, if I give you any value at all. But so as I promised, whoever stuck around to the end of the video, I'm going to do a giveaway. So the first 5 people that subscribe to my channel, I'm going to put my Facebook link in the description. So send me a friend's request on Facebook. So you do those 2 things. The first 5 people, guys, I'm going to give you a free vacation. So vacations in Cancun, Las Vegas, Orlando, Myrtle Beach, Bali. So, if you guys got any value from this, please comment, subscribe to the channel, I'll get you your vacation. All I need is your email. So connect with me on Facebook. Send me a message saying, hey, I watched your video. What's up with the free vacation? And then give me your email. I'm not going to send you any spam, nothing like that. I'm not going to send you any emails except for this vacation email, guys. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.